Hello guys, review OPPO Reno 12F, this version 8GB memory and 512GB Intel memory. Okay, open box, look completation. Device in the orange color. In completation we have protected cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. We have display 6.7 inch on this side, power button and warm buttons on this side without controls. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Okay, backside camera, triple camera. On the front side display, Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz AMOLED display. Okay, open settings, look about Android version, Android 14, ColorOS 14.0. Okay. Now open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 plus Adreno 610. Look results, single core score, multi-core score. GPU test results, very low results we have. AnTuTu benchmark. And low AnTuTu benchmark results. PUBG Mobile works only on low graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.